Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is backup utilities. So let's get started. In the digital age, the phrase better safe than sorry could well be rewritten as better backed up than sorry. As our lives and businesses become increasingly digitized, data has become one of the most valuable assets. It is vital, then, that we take the necessary measures to protect this asset from potential losses or damages. This is where backup utilities come into play. Picture a backup utility as a diligent librarian. This librarian makes copies of every book or piece of data in the library and stores them safely in a separate location. In the event of a disaster, say a fire in the library, where all original books could be lost, the copies made by a diligent librarian can be used to restore the library to its original state. In essence, this is what backup utilities do. They create copies of data and store them into different storage devices, effectively ensuring against data loss. Why is this important? Imagine you're working on a significant project. You have spent countless hours and energy on it, and it's nearly complete. Suddenly, your computer crashes and you lose all your work. Without a backup, your work is lost forever, and you have to start from scratch. However, if you had a backup utility that saved copies of your work at regular intervals, you could restore the lost data and resume from where you left off. Backup utilities offer a wide range of features such as the ability to schedule automated backups. This means that the utility will create backups of your data at specific period or time intervals that you set, without you needing to remember to do it manually. For example, you could set your backup utility to back up your data every day at midnight. This ensures that even the most recent data is preserved and reduces the risk of data loss. Backup utilities don't just back up files and documents, they can also back up system and device configurations. This is crucial in case your system gets infected by a virus or a malware and you need to do a complete system restore. Having a backup of your system configuration can save a significant amount of time and hassle, as it allows you to restore your computer to the exact state it was in before the issue occurred. Moreover, backups should be continuous or performed periodically to ensure data protection. Let's consider a business scenario as an example. A company has tons of valuable data, including customer information, financial records, project details, and more. If this data is lost or corrupted, it could spell disaster for the company. So the company uses a backup utility to make regular backups of all its data. This way, even if something happens to the company's main server, they can recover their valuable data from the backups. This leads us to a critical point. Backups are the only reliable means of insurance against data loss. While there are measures that can reduce the chances of data loss, such as antivirus software and firewalls, they cannot guarantee complete protection. Natural disasters, hardware failures, software glitches, and human errors are unpredictable and can happen despite the best preventive measures. And when these occur, having a backup of your data can mean the difference between a minor hiccup and a catastrophic loss. In conclusion, backup utilities are like the unsung heroes of data management. They quietly and continuously work in the background, ensuring our data is safe and readily available when needed. As we continue to generate and depend on digital data in our day-to-day lives, the importance of backup utilities only grows. Whatever you are, a student working on a thesis, a photographer with a collection of precious photos, or a multinational corporation with critical business data, having a reliable backup utility is not just a smart move, but a necessity. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website and don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. If you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we'll try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.